PMPeople stands for People Collaborating on Project Management. It is a freemium product. It can be used for free for unlimited time and for unlimited users. Only managers pay premium features. It is usable via web and mobile. It gets online productivity and professional project management through collaboration among 11 roles. We already have collaborative tools to manage tasks, messages, emails, photos, files, videos, notes, etc. Nowadays, professional project managers need to use this kind of tools to control teamwork, but they are not sufficient to meet the project management goals, mainly to get project finished on time and on budget. For instance, Asana is aimed to manage online all tasks of all teams in the world, Slack to manage all messages, Google Mail for all emails, Dropbox for all documents, YouTube for all videos, Evernote for all notes, etc. PMPeople is aimed to unify professional project management of all kind of projects, projectized organizations group projects into business units. Other ways to group projects, if needed, are programs and portfolios. Let's review the definitions. A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. Projects can be managed individually or grouped by programs or portfolios. A program is defined as a group of related projects managed in a coordinated way to obtain benefits and control not available from managing them individually. A portfolio refers to a collection of projects, programs, sub-portfolios and other work that are grouped together to facilitate effective management of that work to meet strategic business objectives. PMPeople implements the 3 standard management frameworks published by PMI in order to minimize the learning curve for any practitioner, project manager, program manager or portfolio manager. First thing to start using PMPeople is organizing projects in business units, and also in programs and portfolios, if needed. Any new user can see how projects are organized, just entering the free PMPeople organization to see 8 demo projects included in 3 business units, some of them belonging to 2 programs and 2 portfolios. In PMPeople, projects may belong 0 or 1 programs, and also to 0, 1 or several portfolios. At the same time, any program may be included in 0, 1 or many portfolios. Figure above shows some projects belonging to no program, projects 7 and 8, or just 1 program, project 1. And also belonging to no portfolio, just 1 portfolio or many of them. For instance, projects 1 and 2 are components of portfolios 1 and 2. Professional project management roles can be separated in 2 sides. Demand management, people who propose projects and monitor performance. Supply management, people who use human and material resources to execute projects. There are 11 different roles to collaborate professionally on project management. Let's define demand management roles. Project stakeholders are the people who may affect, be affected by, or perceive themselves to be affected by decisions, activities, or outcomes of projects. Stakeholders are on the demand side because they need to monitor project performance to make sure it will meet their expectations. Project requesters are the people who ask for new projects inside the performing organization. They work to get projects approved, follow progress, and collaborate to get it done. Requesters are on the demand side because they need to monitor project performance to make sure it will meet the business goals. Project sponsors are the people who provide resources and support for the project and are accountable for enabling success. Sponsors are on the demand side because they need to monitor project performance to guide strategic decisions. Functional managers are the people with management authority over a business unit. Any project belongs to one business unit. If several business units collaborate on the same project, one of them should be leading. Functional managers are on the demand side because they need to monitor project financial performance, mainly. People inside the Project Management Office, PMO, are the people who standardizes the project-related governance processes and facilitates the sharing of resources, methodologies, tools, and techniques. PMO people are on the demand side because they need to initiate projects and then monitor project performance. PMO role can see all projects and resources inside the organization. PMO has access to all features available for PM on each project, but also some other specific features. Supportive PMO are the people who provide a consultative role and assist project managers on their day-to-day activity, especially those related to data recording and reporting. PMOs are on the demand side because, for the purposes or the PPM tool, they can do the same functions as the PMO role, but only for the projects they assist. Supply management roles are: portfolio managers are the people assigned by the performing organization to establish, balance, monitor, and control portfolio components in order to achieve strategic business objectives. Portfolio managers are on the supply side because they are accountable for strategic plan execution and strategic goals achievement. Program managers are the people authorized by the performing organization to lead the team or teams responsible for achieving program objectives. Program managers are on the supply side because they are accountable for benefit delivery throughout the whole lifecycle of the program or product. Project managers are the people assigned by the performing organization to lead the team that is responsible for achieving the project objectives. Projects can be managed individually or grouped by programs or portfolios. Any project belongs to one business unit. If several business units collaborate on the same project, one of them should be leading. Project managers are on the supply side because they are accountable for the project conclusion, achieving the project management goals of schedule, cost, funding, scope, quality, expectations met, value delivered, etc. Resource managers are the people with management authority over a resource pool. They are responsible to manage team members inside the pool. Resource managers are on the supply side carrying out functions like hiring, professional development, training, incentive policies, leave management, absences, etc. Team members are the people who support the project manager in performing the work of the project to achieve its objectives. Team members are on the supply side because they do the actual work in projects. PMPeople helps organizational project management, using agile principles, and empowering people collaborating on project management. 1. Collaborative roles. Team members are clear about their assignments. They can submit comments easily. Project managers can do servant leadership. Among other roles, some are specialized in managing portfolios, programs and projects. Specializing roles is essential for strategic alignment, benefit realization and value orientation. Projects can be considered as self-organizing units led by a project manager, including other roles with different goals. 2. Project status reporting. Projects report status regularly. On each review date, project performance is analyzed, and corrective or preventive actions are taken, making more projects meet management goals. 3. Many watchful stakeholders. Each project is followed by many stakeholders, and they can request changes and provide feedback easily. Project managers provide regular updates to stakeholders, sponsors, engaging committee members when corrective actions are needed. 4. Process simplification using online tools. Professional project management is no longer effective if projects are managed in isolation, project team makes all, or by managed by meetings or by reporting. Stakeholders need continuous collaboration to achieve the project management goals, on quality, scope, time, cost, etc. In this hyper-connected world, continuous collaboration in projects means online collaboration to take informed decisions and propose actions proactively. Projects need this kind of distributed collaboration, especially. Organizations need agile transparency mechanisms on project statuses, avoiding bureaucracy related to documentation or status meetings. They need online real-time reporting, instead. With PMPeople, projects are chartered properly, involving expert judgment, so that most value-adding projects are approved, minimizing non-value projects execution. Different roles use a common standard terminology, reducing workflows and documents, implicitly applying management frameworks despite not being experts. Being able to manage projects using a mobile phone. PMPeople makes people start collaborating on projects, improving organizational project maturity, even for agile organizations, to lead the project economy. Say goodbye to uncontrolled projects, bureaucratic workflows, depending too much on individuals, unpredictability, etc. With PMPeople, your organization will close more projects successfully. Stop putting out fires. With PMPeople you will have more time to initiate, control and close more value projects in your organization. Start using PMPeople for free, for unlimited time and for any number of users. In premium organizations, only managers count as premium seats. Several roles: stakeholders, team members, sponsors and resource managers are always free. You can increase or decrease your premium seats according to the organization actual needs. Premium organizations have access to our interactive support through Slack. Our servers are located in the European Union. This software can also be hosted on customer premises. You can join our Slack workspace following the link, https://bit.ly/join_people_Slack.